If incoming calls are not showing on your Realme GT7T, here's what you can do in order to try to solve these issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, and then in settings, if we go to sounds and vibration, you should be able to find the not to disturb mode, which can be the cause why you cannot see incoming calls. So just check if DND mode is not activated, or if there is any schedule created for DND mode, so that in the future it doesn't it won't be re-enabled again by the phone. If DND mode is off and you still cannot see incoming calls, then another thing that you can do is go to apps. Now in apps, we're gonna open app management, and in here what we're gonna do first is we're gonna scroll down to the phone app over here. There we go. Now in here what you need to do is force stop the app and then confirm your choice. And then we're gonna go to manage it's permissions. We want to go to permissions, and then you want to make sure that these permissions are granted for the phone app. So at least these should be granted. So make sure that they are set up over here. And then what you can also do is go to the storage usage and we can clear data. So tap over here and confirm that you want to delete it. Now after that, we're gonna tap on these three dots that we have in the top right corner and choose show system so that we can see system apps as well. Now at the top of this list we can find the search field, so we're gonna write phone. And over here we have phone call / SMS storage, so let's select it. In here we want to go to storage usage and we want to clear cache. Then we're gonna go back, go to phone services, and let's do the same thing. Let's open storage usage, but this time we're gonna clear data and delete. So whenever it is possible, we want to delete clear data. If not possible, then clear cache instead. All right, and I'm gonna also write call over here. We can open call management, and let's do the same thing. Let's clear data. There we go. We can also go. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think this is all we can do. After that, we're gonna go back to the home screen and we want to open the phone app. We need to turn it on so that the app is running at least. And now we should be able to see incoming calls. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.